one of many tiki drinks you probably never heard of. So the Jungle Bird cocktail is believed to have been created at Hilton's Aviary Bar in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in 1978, a year when tiki craze was anything but dead. But for some reason this drink went into oblivion and had been forgotten, until the tiki historian Jeff Berry found the recipe in a 1989 paperback of the American Bartender's Guide, and reprinted it in his 2002 book Intoxica. But this drink has truly become popular after Giuseppe Gonzalez tweaked it a little bit, replacing dark Jamaica rum with more intense Blackstrap rum, and served it at Painkiller Lounge Bar in New York City. Well, let's already make one. A complex drink with frothy texture, molasses-like sweetness followed by notes of coffee and clean, bitter finish. Alright, it might be a little bit challenging finding Cruzan Blackstrap rum in your area. And yes, it pronounces Cruzan. Google it yourself. So, if you're having trouble finding it, go with Captain Morgan Black Spice, which is also made of Blackstrap, or with very easy to find Gosling's Black Rum. Though the latter won't give you that chocolate coffee notes of Blackstrap. And that's it, guys. Don't forget, all the recipe is down in the description. And if you like this video, make sure you check out all these great videos. See you in the next one.